In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay yourself in Freeagent account. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to record your own payments correctly so your business accounts stay tidy and accurate. First, make sure you're logged into your Freeagent account and that you're looking at the main dashboard. To begin, head over to the banking area. This is where Freeagent keeps track of all the money flowing in and out of your business. From the list of bank accounts, select your main business bank account, the one you actually use to pay yourself. Once you're viewing that bank account, look towards the top right area of the screen for the option labeled More. Click on More, and from the menu that appears, choose Add Transaction. This tells Freeagent that you want to manually add a new movement of money rather than importing it from your bank feed. A new form will appear where you can explain what this transaction is. For the transaction type, open the drop-down list and select Money Paid to User. This option is specifically designed for situations where the business is paying a person, such as a director or a sole trader, rather than a supplier or a general expense. Next, you'll see a user drop-down menu. From here, choose yourself. This makes sure Freeagent links the payment to the right person in your accounts and keeps a proper record of how much you've withdrawn from the business over time. If you also need to pay staff from the same transaction, you can use the split transaction option to divide the total amount between yourself and any other users. That way, each payment is clearly recorded against the correct individual. Now move down to the category field. Open the drop-down and select Drawings. This category is important because it tells Freeagent that this is money you're taking out of the business for personal use, not a business expense or a salary processed through payroll. After that, enter the date that the payment left your bank account and the exact amount you paid yourself. Take a moment to double-check both of these, as they need to match your bank records for reconciliation to be smooth later on. When everything looks correct, click Explain Transaction to save it. Freeagent will now treat this as a properly recorded payment to you, categorized as drawings and linked to your user profile, keeping your accounts accurate and up to date.